Today I want to talk about supercharging your gas fireplace. The holidays are coming and a lot of you have gas log sets in your fireplace. For those of you who really enjoy them, here's a way to make it even more realistic. The key is this: become a student of fire and understand where your gas fireplace falls short. One of the things you want to do at the beginning of the season is, of course, clean your log set. Just lightly wipe them down. Don't take them to the sink and soak them with water. They'll crumble away. Clean your log set, and then when you reposition them, reposition your log set so that the flames lick around it, not just in back or in front, because that doesn't look real, right? Because the logs are the things that are on fire. The second and most probably important thing visually to a fire is what most gas log sets are missing, and that is an ember bed. Your log set came with these fuzzy kind of cottony embers, this kind of thing right here. These embers, they light up a little bit, but they don't really blast like true wood embers that are falling from a wood fire. I want you to look online and find something like this: Platinum Bright Embers. Okay, that's one brand. It's the brand that I've always used. They are these tiny little flakes of rock wool, and that is what you see is glowing inside this fireplace here. They will last all season long. People won't know it, they won't think about it, but subconsciously everybody knows that a real wood burning fire has a hot glowing ember bed beneath it, and if yours doesn't, that's one of those subconscious clues that your fire isn't actually a real wood burning fire. Lastly, and this one has eluded me forever and a day, is the sound of a wood burning fire. Popping, crackling, that happens from steam escaping from logs. So how do you get that out of a gas log set? A tiny micro-sized Bluetooth speaker. This one is waterproof, it's housed in metal. I call it the marshmallow because it's literally like the size of a jumbo marshmallow. It sits here in the side of our firebox, and guess what I'm sending to it? A YouTube video. You cannot tell that the sound is coming from this little speaker. It just feels like the fireplace is popping and crackling. All night long, burning embers, the sound of popping and cracking wood, flames licking around the logs. That's how you supercharge a gas fireplace.